back to another Toy Discoveries video. Here I have another Playmobil toy to unbox. It's the Princess Vanity Carry Case. I'm really excited to unbox it. This will be the first one that I unbox on my channel. And we're gonna get to play with many things it has inside. It comes with all these pieces. Over here, this is our princess that we're gonna get to play with. She looks so pretty. I can't wait to put her together. So let's get unboxing. So this is what the case looks like. It's a nice pink case and it's great for traveling. So we're gonna open it over here. And this is what the box looks like when you open it up. This is another booklet of all the things you can find. This shows the instructions of how to assemble everything. This is an advertisement for the Playmobil movie that's coming out. And these are our pieces. This probably goes on the mirror. And some more pieces. And here's our princess. Let's open these up. We're gonna take our scissors. And we're gonna open our second bag. That's a lot of small pieces. So now we're gonna assemble everything. This is our princess right here. She's wearing a nice pink dress with a flower. She has curly hair. She's wearing black shoes. And I guess you can put this skirt on her. I'm gonna lift her hands up and we're gonna snap the skirt in place. Like that. Oh wow, she looks so nice. We're gonna set her aside and move on to the rest of our pieces. This should be the vanity. This is the vanity seat. So we have our table and we're gonna snap this part here and there. Look at the details, you guys. And then we're gonna take this part and add the mirror sticker to the vanity. Like that. And we're gonna take it here, snap it on like that. And we've made her vanity. How nice. And this is the stool, the little seat she'll be sitting at. This is a stand to put all her necklaces. Oh, what about this? Oh, I think this is a crown. We should add it to this mannequin. Oh, this must be the crown for the princess. We should put it on her. Wow, how shiny. There we go. And what's this? This is a vase for flowers. Centerpiece. And then we're gonna add our pink flowers over here. And our last flower is this pink one. Oh, and we've made a beautiful flower arrangement here. How nice. Well, it doesn't fit on the table, so we'll put it right next to it. Like this. And these are her perfume bottles. A pink one and a blue one. We're gonna set them over here carefully. Like that. Oh, and what's this? So we're gonna take these two pieces, snap them together, like that. Maybe she puts her makeup in here or her jewelry. We can put one of her perfumes in here to store it. And we can have it under the seat, like that. Oh, and this is a pink necklace. We'll put it on our princess so she can look even prettier. How nice. Now she's all ready. Let's brush her hair with this green brush. She looks perfect. And we'll set her comb over here. But she has no one to play with. She has no one to play with. I have an idea. We can open up these girly blind bags and see what friends we can find inside. Let's do this. We're gonna start with this one. Let's see, take our scissors again, of course with the help of a grown-up. Okay. Let's see. Judging from the colors, I think we must have gotten this one right here. Let's assemble her. We're gonna start from the legs. She's wearing nice white high heels. And we're gonna take this, her body, and her two hands. We're gonna hold them together and put them on like this. How cool is that? Now she has arms. She's wearing a nice white undershirt and she's wearing a white necklace. Now we're gonna add her dress. And then we're gonna snap the back. So she's wearing an open back top. She's missing her head, so we have to snap it on. Oh, and she's wearing makeup too. Wow. We're gonna snap in her hair. Nice blonde short hair. Oh, there's an extra hand. Well, in case one of them falls out, I guess we have extra. And this is her headband and a feather, a white feather. Let's put it in. And this is a bracelet, a gold bracelet. And now she was all ready. Hello, princess. I came over to play with you. Sure, you guys can sit right next to each other and I will open our second bag. So here we have our pieces and let's see which pieces match our character. Oh, here it is. Seems like a karate figure. So let's assemble her. Oh wait, there's two pieces of the same kind. This is her hair. So we'll put one to the side because we only need one piece and we'll get started. We're gonna start from the legs, add the body, and then we're gonna put her arms over here, snap it on like that, add the head, and this is a belt, a blue karate belt. We're gonna add this too. So now that we've put the belt, what's missing? Her hair, of course, brown hair. So now that we've put on her hair, we're going to add the last thing, which is this small blue ribbon to her hair. There we go, the blue ribbon is in her hair now. So she is a karate girl, wearing a blue belt with a white karate suit outfit. Girls, over here and move on to our last blind bag. Oh, so many pieces. And they're nice and green and purple. We're gonna start from the bottom. Oh, wait. Oh, this is a purple witch hat. Let's see who we got. Did we get a witch? Ah, this one over here must be it. This is who we're making. We got a witch. Let's assemble her. We're gonna start from the legs and then snap in her body. Like that. This is her shirt with her green sleeves. Now that we've snapped in her hands, her arms, we're gonna set this down. Oh, this must be her hair, her brown hair. But where are we gonna put the hair on? Her head, of course. Ooh, she looks scary, a little bit. But that's okay. She's gonna play with the other girls and she'll be happy again. We're gonna snap in her hair. Now, her brown hair. Her hair is in, and her hat, of course. Her nice purple witch hat. And this green ribbon. And of course, a witch always needs her broom to fly in the sky. Ready to play with the other girls and soften up. We're gonna set her here so they can meet each other and talk about lots of girly things. So now that we've opened up everything, this is what everything looks like assembled. All the figures are assembled and all the small pieces from the pink case we unboxed first. And now the girls are gonna all chat and play together and have a good time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure before you go, hit the subscribe button for more fun educational videos like this one. Until the next one, guys, bye!